After spending 3 days in Delhi, we have come back to Bihar now. We are right now in Bihar, in my uncle's house. And today we are going to see my old school, the school where I studied from nursery till my 10th standard. So for Meena, this is the first time in Bihar. And for me, I'm really happy to show her my school, the place where I was brought up, my campus and everything.
I guess no one's to blame, nobody crossed the line. I guess we couldn't see, somehow we couldn't feel. Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high. But I remember days I wonder we were always gonna last.
We are in our school auditorium. Yesterday they celebrated Children's Day, so you can see stage is all Teachers Day, so you can see all the stages all decorated. 13 years. It's beautiful.
Will be no hard goodbyes, thank God we're civilized. Be on our separate ways as we fade into grey. But I still miss the way you used to feel. Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high. Yeah.
We are in another James English school. This school is 30 kilometers away from the main school. My sister is the principal of this school.
I see we're out of time. Did what we could, my friend, but now we're at the end.
Me and Meena are starting to Chennai, and today we came to Mugalsai. We have 5 hours to catch our next train. This place is known as Rajghat. If you can see, this is the bridge dividing Mugalsarai and Banaras. train has started from Jabalpur. I will be entering Itasi and Nagpur, all forest area. It's going to be beautiful.